I'm gonna be sharing with you my experience with eBay holds, and I really understand this feeling when eBay holds all your money, especially when you are doing like high numbers. It's very, very, very bad. And you cannot like ship the items in time because all the money is on hold and you cannot use that money. I feel this completely, especially with like drop shippers and resellers. Um, so the thing that really helped me to avoid this, like from my experience with multiple stores, running multiple stores at once, my experience is you just need to upload the tracking number in time whenever you receive a sale. Now, if you have a new store and you want to avoid this in just the day one, it's very, very, uh, it's not possible. Okay, so I will share with you my experience, and you can just apply this, and then you can like literally um, avoid eBay holds in the future. Okay, so first thing that helped me is whenever you receive an order, upload the tracking number as soon as possible in 1 day, in 2 days. Okay, and make sure the tracking number is trackable inside eBay. So when the item is delivered, eBay recognizes that the item is delivered, and then they will release the money to you. Now, you just need to sell at least like 24 products, 25 products. This is just my experience. This can be different from store to store. 25 around that, and eBay will start to trust you and then release the money whenever you receive an order immediately. But it's not like in the same hour, in just 24 hours. Like, doesn't matter how long you have been selling on eBay, you need to wait 24 hours for the funds to be available to withdraw them to your bank. This is after you are selling over 25 products. Like after you start to have like some sales history, it's 24 hours in order for eBay to release the payment. Doesn't matter how long you have been selling. So if you are just starting out, make sure you upload the tracking number in time. And if the tracking number says it's delivered, it's trackable, then eBay will release the payment within around like 5 days to 7 days. I know this is long, and I understand it's very, very bad, and I feel this, but sometimes you just have to get used to this. And the only way to like avoid this altogether is to have some sales history so that eBay trusts you, and then you will start to whenever you get a payment, that doesn't matter, $1,000 a day, $500,000 a day, $500 a day, all the money will be available for withdrawal. Okay, after you have some sales history. So that's what I recommend you to do, guys. So another way, guys, after you start to get sales and now eBay trusts you, to keep that trust, make sure you solve problems quickly with your buyers. Now, if a buyer has a problem with their product, make sure you solve the problem through eBay messages. Don't wait for them to open dispute, because the moment eBay customers start to open dispute, eBay like loses trust, and then they will start again to hold your money. That's just what I noticed and how it works. So it's not like the first dispute or the first like customer opens a dispute, then eBay holds the money. It's like a lot, but you just need to avoid this. It's very, very good for you. eBay also ranks your products higher, much higher in search results. That's just my experience. I don't know if this is true or not. I noticed that like whenever you solve problems quickly with customers, good customer service, like eBay trusts you more, and then you rank your products more in the search results. You get more sales compared to other stores that are waiting for eBay to solve their problems. So that's just my experience. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. And see you then like in the next tutorial.